This is my honest take on who will win the Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson fight, airing on Netflix July 20th. Now, if you thought I was gonna say Jake Paul,
shut your goddamn ass up.
Ain't no goddamn way. Look at the way Mike Tyson training. This motherfucker is 9,000 years old and he looks like the Terminator. He look like RoboCop.
Straight up out a movie scene. She was the drama queen. Had to turn my life into young to grow. She did everything like I'm on parole. I told her some things you don't know. Never let it go, baby.